Are you looking for the correct ISP pinout for the Oppo Reno 14? If you're a mobile technician trying to do UFS chip programming, data recovery, or remove FRP/user lock, you're in the right place. In this post, I will share the latest Oppo Reno 14 ISP pinout for 2025 and guide you on how to use it in your repairs. What is Oppo Reno 14 ISP pinout? ISP, in-system programming. Pinout helps you to connect directly to the UFS memory chip of a mobile phone. This helps in reading and writing data using tools like EasyJTag, UFI, or CM2 without removing the chip from the motherboard. Oppo Reno 14 UFS ISP pinout diagram. Here's an actual image of the Oppo Reno 14 motherboard with the ISP pinout clearly labeled. Pinout labels: RXOP, receive out positive; RXON, receive out negative; RST, reset; TXOP, transmit out positive; TXON, transmit out negative. How to use Oppo Reno 14 ISP pinouts. Power off the phone. Open the back cover and disconnect the battery. Clean the pinout area on the motherboard. Solder fine jumper wires to the RXOP, RXON, TXOP, TXON, and RST points as shown in the image. Connect these to your UFS programmer or box. Follow your tool's instructions for reading, writing, or removing security locks. Tips for mobile technicians. Use a good microscope and fine soldering tools. If you're new to ISP, don't rush. Practice on scrap boards first. Always double-check pin connections before powering the tool. Document or snap a picture of your wiring for future reference. When you need the ISP pinout for Oppo Reno 14. If you need to unlock FRP, and standard methods do not work. When the device is dead and not detected by the PC, EDL not working. For reading or writing firmware directly to UFS. In cases of user data extraction or dead boot repair. That's it. With these Oppo Reno 14 ISP pinouts, you can easily perform UFS operations for repair or data work. For more ISP pinouts and mobile repair tips, keep visiting our blog.